Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to install YouTube Kids apps in your smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings on your smart TV. From the setting right here, go ahead and hit on OK. Then from setting right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead to continue to scroll down until you get to apps. Click on apps. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on see all apps. Then scroll down right here, continue to scroll down, and go ahead and click on Show System Apps. Click on that. Then here you go. Continue to scroll down, 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 continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. Click on OK. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Open. So once you get to your Google Play Store on your smart TV, next thing you want to do is to search for YouTube Kids and download it on your smart TV. For that, go ahead and make use of search from the top right here. Then go ahead and hit on OK. Then you can come to the type right here and type in YouTube Kids. So here we go. You can see YouTube Kids for Android has been searched. So I'll just go ahead and hit on search right here. So I can access from the So here we go. Now you have YouTube Kids for Android TV. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on OK for install. After a successful installation, go ahead and hit on open. There you go. You have your YouTube Kids right here. YouTube Kids has moved. So here, you can watch all of the videos that you know and love in our updated YouTube Kids experience. Next thing you want to do here is to make sure you scan this particular QR code right here.